Hi, this is a video about Bom Beta Head. I will be showing the difference between the Deluxe Bom Head and Bom Beta Head. It's a new project from Akiruka, so it's not an update of Deluxe Head, it's just a new product we are working on. Right now, it's very similar to the Deluxe Bom Head with just a few features we have been adding on last update. So I will show how work the head and also the difference between the Deluxe Bom Head and the beta one right now. So as you can see right now, I'm a Second Life system avatar with a system hair base with the default skin from Second Life, well, and this amazing sexy head and eyes. I will be wearing from the start the Bom Head as a plier head, so like if was a normal mesh head. So I will wear the alpha head and eyes. Then I will put the head. Where is the head? Where is the head? Here it is. I will put the head, and right now it's red because I was using it as Bom Head before, but like I said, we will use it now with a plier. So let's put the head when it show up. Okay, and we go to Basic tab. Well, let me move that here and here. Okay, we go to Basic tab and we will apply a skin tone. Okay, so this is the tone 4 from default head of Beta Head. Okay, then let's put the brow and the shape, so we are sure it will look exactly like on vendor picture. As you can see right now, my body don't have the same tone, so if I want to match it, I need to use the body appliers, just like we used to do before. So let's unpack it. Accept. Okay. Here. Body applier. Since I'm using Maitreya, I will apply the tone 4. This is the one I'm using here. And here we go. And as you can see, the body now is matching the head. Okay. So I'm using Maitreya body with Akiruka Beta Bom Head, but with appliers. Is missing the eyes, so let's put the eyes. Okay, those textures are the one on Akiruka head. Okay, so if we want to change the texture, here it is. As you can see, you change just like an applier. Let's stop moving those eyes because this really drives me crazy. Okay. I will not put the animation HUD now because we are not looking how work the animation HUD. We already know that. So here it is. Let's put the teeth. And I'm not put the HUD of teeth because I'm not interested to this now. Okay? So now we are moving on from mesh head used with applier to mesh head used as bacon mesh head. Okay, so we will take off. Okay, let's say one first thing. One of bigger difference right now from this head and the Deluxe Bom Head are actually the eyes. The eyes on Beta Head are bomb also, just like the head. So when we take off the eyes and head alpha, we have these. Okay, is a bit messy, but as you can see now on eyes tab we have a button called bacon mesh, so it become bake on mesh. Then we need also to go to the head tab, to the skin tab, and click on bake on mesh button here, and the head became bake on mesh. As we had this skin before and those eyes, it still looks bad because this skin is really not nice. But as you can see now, it became a mesh head, okay? So now we unpack the system. I already unpacked it because I had it before, but they are here. See, system eyes bomb are those one. We will put the same one we had before as mesh eyes here. Eyes brown are system eyes, and you see are the same texture. And we will unpack also the system skin bomb, it is, and we will put the same tone, number 4. And here we go, we have the same head as bake on mesh head. Now, we improved also the second life of VMAP on Beta Head. Well, Deluxe Bom Head had already a second life of VMAP, but on Beta we improved it a bit more. So now I will put a Lume, I don't know how it's spelled, but anyway, an older skin from her. Where is Niska? Light brown? No, I like dark brown. Can I find it? Here. It's just for system heads, okay? So I will put this one with dark brown. Here we go, right? And I edited the eyebrow shape and I had made also already before, because of course you will need to adjust something on those head. But as you can see, is already matching. The lips are matching on right position. The eyes have the eye corner on right position. The nose are nice. So we just need to fit the brow. I had made it before. Let me see. Lumai. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Wow. Was not unfolded. So I had made it before. So here it is. I put the brow shape I had made before. So now you see the eyebrow is matching well. Now what happened is I have Maitreya now I'm using Maitreya now as mesh body, but I don't know if you know, Maitreya is also bake on mesh. So what I need to do is just to take off the alpha from my Maitreya body. Where is my Maitreya body? Okay, mesh body, Maitreya. Well, where is this alpha I'm using actually? Why am you? Okay, no, I just need to click on button bake on mesh, I guess. Yeah, okay. This is the relay of Maitreya for bake on mesh. You can get it for free on Marketplace, on Maitreya Marketplace. So now, as you can see, my body and my head are bake on mesh. This black you see here on neck is not on body, is not on skin, is not on mesh, is the hair base, unfortunately, because I like a lot this hair base, but I will take it off and you will see this hair base, this black will go off. As you can see now, it was on hair base, unfortunately, because I really like this one. But well, there are a lot of system hair base on Marketplace. Maybe she has some also here, I don't know. No, maybe not. But well, I have some hair base on hair base. Okay, here, brown. Those are all the hair base we have on our inventory from old time. As you can see, this is an old one. Okay, but you can use any hair base you want and you feel like. Now, nice thing of Bom Deluxe Head and Beta Mesh Head is We can mix system stuff like we apply it now with Acadie layer makeup. So we can use our Acadie makeup on head just like we used to do before on our mesh head. So as you can see now, I have an Acadie makeup on. I don't know if those lipstick will fit. Yeah, they look actually good. So I'm using now system, well, no system. I'm using Acadie makeup, yes, with system eyes and system skin and system hair base and specky no, lattice tattoo is the one I used to use usually. I just don't remember which one was. And you can use also the tattoo. See, it's just a system avatar. See, you use the full tattoo with hair base, with makeup, with Acadie makeup, with eyelashes, and everything mixed up together without any alpha glitch. And nice thing of having eyes on Bom version is, for example, I have a lot of icon eyes system version, as you can see here, and I can just put any one of it and it will look really amazing. See? And those are system eyes. So we can keep using Acadie makeup, so high quality texture makeup on system skins and system tattoo and system hair base together. But those actually are feature you have also on your Akeruka Deluxe Bom Head, not only on Beta Head. Right now, at the moment, the only difference right now on Beta Head is the eyes bomb. But we will be adding more features on Beta Head very soon. Keep touch with us and I will be updating you all about them. Bye!